Alright, we're working on a 2013 Subaru Crosstrek XV Premium. And there was a broken window here, right there. And the real secret to getting it out was taking that screw out right there, which was right there. Just got to, pull the molding back. And there's 3 screws here, and another one right there, and one right there that held this into place. That's going to be a little tricky to get it back, but we'll do it. That would allow us, this is just the frame, the room we need to put the new window back in there. It'll go right in there. We'll just slide it right in like that. That's where it goes, and then put that back. And you'll have it. So I got my control mechanism hooked up so I can operate the window with without that in. It makes it pretty dark there. Well, without the door panel in place, like the one right there on the other side. So that one like that would go right there, but I wanted to be able to use my controls while I was doing this, so I hooked them back up. So now I'll be able to put the new window in, and I searched for anybody who made a video of this, and nobody did. So that's how you replace your, I guess it's not a vent window, but it used to be you could roll those up and down, but this one doesn't. So yeah, that's how you replace those windows on the 2013 Subaru Crosstrek. And this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.